Hey, this is Linnell and I live on cruise ships. And today I'm on Carnival Dream. I'm going to give you a tour of this interior cabin, a quick tour, just so you know what this cabin looks like. So if you're ready, let's go check it out. I'm on Carnival Dream. It is an interior cabin 9359 and deck 9 midship. And this is what that cabin looks like. Boom, bam, baby. I don't remember. I booked these cruises way long time ago. I don't remember when I even booked them, what month it was. Sometime in 2024. It's now what, March 2025. And beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Have plenty of other videos on the channel of different cabins on different Carnival ships. But in case you are looking for this cabinet type, this is what it looks like. Let's see. That light took a minute to come on. Yeah, during this cruise, I'm not really planning to do much other than do some YouTube video editing. I've been on this ship for 3 times. I wish there was a shelf in here. I probably won't even use it, but it would be nice to have a shelf. I've been on this ship for 3 back-to-back cruises. I got off and got on another ship, and now I'm back on here again. And so yeah, I already have some videos on the channel so you can see what those other cabins look like. And this restroom looks like all the other bathrooms, but the room itself is totally different. Lots of floor space here. I love it. Normally, the beds would be side by side. I would put my luggage on it, but obviously I'm not going to be going up and down a ladder. So, yeah, I'll probably utilize the closet or drawers. There's actually a little light switch up there. I'm not going to climb up there to press it, but just thought I would show you that is what that is. All right, so cabin steward came in and close the bunk bed up, and this is what it looks like with just a single bed. And now that I've learned that you can get a chair with a back to it, I can't not ask for one. So I'm all set up. I still have my little stool also, but yeah, I definitely prefer to use a chair going forward. So don't forget, if you want and need one of those, you can ask for it. I just noticed that she left the ladder sticking out. It's up under the bed. That is it. I am not going to go over the details again. Just a quick glance. I got a lot of work to do. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll reply to them as soon as I can. Other than that, thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day and I hope to see you on the next cruise.